Kaylin. If you haven't seen my face before, hi. If you have, thank you for tuning in again. Well, today we're going to be doing jumbo passion twist on myself. So first thing I'm going to show you is what I'm going to be using. This water wave free twist braid, water wave number 2. And I bought 4 packs, but I don't know if I'm gonna need more. And for my bohos, I'm gonna use this here. And this is the gel we'll be using, just pure. So yeah, my hair's already blow dried, washed. So the first thing I'm gonna do is part my hair and put it in all the rubber bands. So. Okay, white body look like in town. Peanut butter inside, outside. Cocaine, white body look like in town. I never sleep, I gotta eat. I gotta dance. I feel it right when I get to the dance. How can I shop when I get for air? Talking and talking about business again. Deep when I stop and do business again. I want some fun like 2 sets of twins. Put it twin, yeah. Hey, bitch, with your friends, yeah. Switch. Okay. I finished my first one just to like make sure like I'm giving y'all like the right instructions, but I just want to show y'all real quick what I got. So it's boho. So it's bohos like this. Like this. And it's gonna be cute. Okay, I've got a couple done, and now I'm just gonna explain how to put it in. So basically, first you want to make sure your hair is really straight, and then you're gonna take 2 pieces of water wave, and then you're going to put it through like so. And make sure that they're even. And then you're gonna take 1 piece from one side. And then for me, I'm gonna go to the left. And then you wrap around 3 times. 3. And then you're gonna bring the piece that was over here with it back, and then you're also going to divide your hair into 2. After you do that, you're gonna start twisting the same way that you twisted the top. So you're gonna twist it. Make sure you're doing it as if it was a 2-strand twist, so you have to like rope it around, or your twist is gonna look bad once you let go at the bottom. And I think I'm going to add, I'm gonna add my boho near the bottom this time. Then once you get to a certain point where you want your hair to be longer, now we're gonna add our 3rd piece of hair. So you're gonna take another piece of water wave. Again, make sure that the hair is even. Then you're gonna put it in, and then just continue braiding right here. Make sure you braid. Make sure you twist it in very tightly. And still continue to twist as if it was a 2-strand. And then I'm gonna add my boho around now. So you're gonna take a piece of whatever hair of your liking. Whatever you're liking. And then make one side longer than the other. Put it in. do the same thing you did when you added the other hair. You're just gonna twist it regular. Keep it in. Twist a few times until you feel like it's secured. And then once you feel like it's secure, you can take out, you can find the long piece. And then what helps me is to take a clip and then clip it up to make sure that the hair is out the way, and then just continue twisting.
Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't fuck why.
Okay, I am
Shit on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. This all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, it's like the movie getting mad. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't fuck why. Long as I get paid, that little vibe. Shit on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. This all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie getting made.
Every other night, another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'm gon' put it out of shade.
And yeah, if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.
On my hand, you too hard to the car, to the center, to the ground, like a better spell a name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around and try and run it away.